Hi guys, I'm going to be explaining you a few branches of our body. So here we are starting off with our heart. The heart has the first branch called Aorta ascendens, which is the ascending branch of the aorta, following with the Arcus aortae and the aorta descending. So aorta descendens. So aorta ascendens will have branches which are very important called arteria coronaria sinistra and dextra. Dextra, arteria coronaria dextra, is for the right side. Arteria coronaria sinistra will be for the left side of the heart. Then, following our aorta, we will reach the Arcus aortae, which the main branches will be Truncus brachiocephalicus, arteria communis, arteria Carotis communis sinistra, arteria Subclavia sinistra. Now, our continuation of the aorta descendens will have two important parts, which will be the, first of all, aorta thoracica and the aorta abdominalis. So, we will start off with the aorta thoracica. Which branches are in here? We will have here our arteria intercostalis posterior, arteria subcostalis, rami bronchiales, rami oesophageales, rami mediastinales, rami pericardiaci, and arteria Phrenica superior. These all are obviously in our chest, the aorta thoracica. Following will be the aorta abdominalis. Now we have, of course, the branches which are going to be in our abdomen. So, arteria Phrenica inferior, arteria Lumbales, arteria Sacralis mediana, Truncus coeliacus, arteria Mesenterica superior and arteria Mesenterica inferior, arteria suprarenalis media, arteria renalis and arteria ovaritae or arteria testicularis. Following our aorta abdominalis, we will have now the arteria iliaca communis. That will have each again in arteria iliaca externa and interna. I will not further explain now the branches. We can continue that in another video. So, how is it that this all is getting together in an anastomosis? We will look further now into arteria iliaca externa. Which will have a branch called arteria femoralis or arteria circumflexa iliacum profunda, which also has further anastomosis with the arteria iliaca interna. But our arteria iliaca externa will also give a branch called arteria epigastrica inferior. This branch, arteria iliaca epigastrica inferior, will make an anastomosis with the arteria epigastrica superior. That is a branch of our arteria thoracica interna, which comes from arteria subclavia dextra and Another branch, which was from the Truncus brachiocephalicus, would be the arteria Carotis, communis, dextra. Going back to our arteria thoracica interna, we had one branch called arteria epigastrica superior, but we will also have a branch called, or actually branches that are called arteria intercostalis anterior, which will make also an anastomosis with the aorta thoracica, especially with the branch we had before called arteria intercostalis posterior. So the arteria intercostalis posterior makes an anastomosis with the arteria intercostalis anterior from the arteria thoracica interna. Furthermore, we have Truncus cervicalis here, arteria pericardica Phrenica, pericardico-Phrenica, and arteria musculo-Phrenica. That's just a quick overview. Thanks for watching.